Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Hemorrhoids and its grading. So the hemorrhoids are divided into 4 gradings. Let's look at them. The first one being it's called as first degree. So first degree, what are the signs and symptoms? The first degree, it includes presence of bleeding. So there's bleed and there is no prolapse. When you look at the second degree, there is presence of prolapse. So first doesn't have prolapse and here it is presence of prolapse and there is a spontaneous reduction. There is presence of the spontaneous reduction. And then what we have is a third degree. The third degree is where there is again a prolapse. So there's presence of prolapse and there is also the manual reduction which is seen. So there's prolapse as well as the manual reduction. Now the fourth degree, there is prolapse. So what we are noticing is only in the first degree there is no prolapse. So here it is prolapsed and it cannot be reduced. So it can't be reduced. So this is what we did. Now let's look at let's recap. So we saw the hemorrhoids and its gradings. It is 4 gradings. The first degree is where it bleeds and there is no prolapse. This is very important. From the second onwards, there is prolapse. So there's prolapse and there is a spontaneous reduction in terms of the second degree. In terms of the third degree, there is a manual reduction which is seen. And in terms of the fourth degree, it cannot be reduced and it is prolapsed. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.